Welcome back to Advocacy, Alchemy with Professor Ross. We got a good one tonight, guys. This one is Behind Closed Doors. Officers, Eviction, and Ethics on Camera. We have some police officers who have evicted some people from their home in Tyler, Texas. This happened a couple years ago, so you may have seen this. But let's discuss this. The police officers are going to steal. We see the charges are going to be theft by a public servant with a value of between $750 and $2,500 and official oppression. We'll talk about those two laws at the end. Let's watch the video. Leave a comment below about this video. I'll see you at the end.
Hold on. Hold on, don't come down here. Put it.
No, you just bring it out.
Let me see.
That shit. Put it in the line.
Okay, this. Put them in my shirt. Hold on. Hey, Gamma. Hold on. Give me a minute. Hold on.
Oh, we got some cocaine.
Oh.
Yeah, everything here. Took. Oh, we got some cocaine.
Oh.
Yeah, everything here. Took.
This can go in here. We set that box right.
Yeah.
We set that on that dresser.
What's this?
A box.
That is.
Huh?
Oh, you got you.
Oh no, it's a whole bunch in the other bag too. So we can roll this out. You still in here? We found something else? Oakley glasses. Like they got everything in a good spot. Got it. This seems like the daughter's room. Or what you see? Yeah, I seen that one on there. The Oakleys are they was and everything.
Now, are they allowed to keep anything of value?
Who? What's all this? Yeah. Yeah. Let's see what's in here. Oh. Ray-Bans. Let's see what's in here. Oh. Ray-Bans. Okay. Oh, what's in here? Hold on, put this right there. How I hold on. Wait a minute. Clean it out. Yeah. We done got hot. They can come in. Yeah, it's hot.
Y'all ain't want me to go rest? You go sit down and rest a little bit?
Yeah, I need to go sit down and rest.
Yeah, go sit down and rest a little bit.
We got a little fat over there. Trying to find the pocket.
How'd you guys feel about that video? That was quite interesting, right? We put so much trust into our officers, and that doesn't, it just doesn't sit right, right? Well, let's look at the law that's involved here. All right. We have first the Texas law, theft by a public servant. That was my search, and pull back Texas Penal Code, Chapter 39, abuse of office. In Texas, the offense commonly referred to as theft by a public servant is addressed under the abuse of office provision in the Texas Penal Code, specifically Chapter 39, which focuses on the misconduct of public officials. Look at the key statute here. It says 39.02, abuse of official capacity. It says this statute applies to public servants who, with the intent to obtain a benefit or to harm or defraud another, intentionally or knowingly violate a law related to their office of or employment, or misuse government property, services, personnel, or any other thing of value entrusted to them. Look at the penalty here. Penalties are depend on the value of the benefit obtained or the harm caused. All right. So if the value is less than $100, Class C misdemeanor. If the value is more than 100 but less than 750, it's a Class B misdemeanor. $750 but less than 2,500 is a Class A misdemeanor. If the value is 2,500 or more, it's classified under the state jail felonies or higher, depending on the amount. All right. We see also 39.03, official oppression. All right. The overview here says that this statute addresses public servants who, under the color of their office, intentionally subject another person to mistreatment or to arrest, detention, search, seizure, or other unlawful actions. Here we have a seizure. There's property that was taken without any just reason. Okay? It basically was converted. That means it was stolen by those officers. There was no good reason for them to take sunglasses and stuff like that. Now, something different about the cocaine that was found in the closet. Now, that could be subject to some issues. All right, penalties. All right, such actions are typically classified as Class A misdemeanors. However, the public servant's conduct results in a serious bodily injury or death, the offense can be elevated to a felony charge. Definition of public servant. All right, a public servant is an officer, employee, or agent of the government, a juror or grand juror, an arbiter, a mediator, or other person authorized to hear or determine a cause or controversy, a person who is performing a governmental function under a claim of right, although not legally qualified to do so. All right, let's look at where they say the relation to general theft laws in Texas. All right, most theft laws here are found in Chapter 31. These are in Chapter 39 because of a public servant being involved, okay? Let's see. Let's look at abuse of office. This is found at Chapter 39 also, and that's the 3903. And Let's look at the definition. A public servant commits official oppression if under the cover of their office of employment, they intentionally subject another to mistreatment, arrest, detention, search, seizure, if it's unlawful, dispossession, assessment, or lien that is unlawful, any other act that's unlawful and causes harm. Let's look at these key elements here for this one. All right, key elements. To establish the offense of official oppression, the following elements must be proven. Number one, public servants or public servant. The individual must be a public servant acting under the authority of their office. Number two, intentional conduct. The action must be intentional. So that means they have to find some way to prove that this public servant actually used their office to intentionally gain something. Here, they were obviously caught on video taking things, and as I understand it, it was accidentally started, the video, and I think they were trying to make sure their video cameras were off, but hers was on. Now, the body cams, they do make a noise every so often on some versions of body cams, and they also have an indicator light to let you know when it's recording. So that's kind of weird. All right. Number three, unlawful act. The conduct must constitute mistreatment or another unlawful act as specified in the statute. Look at the penalties here. This is a Class A misdemeanor, fine not to exceed $4,000, imprisonment in county jail for up to 1 year, or both fine and imprisonment. Let's see here. Violations of civil rights of a person in custody. Nah. Okay. All right. So as you notice, this was a very short video. What I'm asking every one of you all, if you watched the video, comment below and let's start a conversation going about this type of video. Does that actually breed trust in our police force when you see things like this? Are you surprised? All right. Once again, I am Professor Ross. This is Advocacy, Alchemy. Tell me what you think below. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Watch some of the other videos. And I'll see you all in the next lecture.